Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to discuss Wipro annual hike 2020-24. So this is good news for all Wipro employees. So Wipro has announced annual hike effectively from 1st September 2024. So last year also they have given the hike in September, and this year also. So last year also they have given. So usually they used to give hike in April and May month. But after COVID, so they have started giving annual hike delay, little bit delay. So in September they are giving from last 3 years, okay, including this year also. So one more update, like September month increment, whatever will be the increment effectively from 1st September, that will be coming added to the October month salary. So in October month salary, that will be add on, and the increment only that will be add on into October month salary. From October month we will be starting getting hike, whatever it will be applied to employees, okay. Before that I wanted to highlight this is Vikas Yadav. I having IT experience 6 years. So I used to give updates regarding IT related news and all kind of information. So please do subscribe my channel for like these videos, okay. So actually third point I wanted to highlight who all got this hike actually. So as of now, Saurabh has only sent the email that we are going to give hike effective from 1st September, and the employees will be getting who all are eligible for this one. They will be getting mail from HR that you are eligible, so this much increment will be for you. So as of now they have confirmed only, that is confirmed that they will be giving from 1st September. So who all are will be getting that mail will come from HR, okay. So this is the good news actually, because who all are waiting. So I would like to mention like people who all are experienced joined lateral entry, just you can say not the fresher. So fresher obviously they will be getting the hike, and the persons who have joined from last 2 to 3 years, they have not given hike for last 2 years. Just I'm saying whoever joined from September, just I'm giving the example of one employee that he had joined the Wipro September in September February 2020-21. From that 2020-22, from that till that date to till now he didn't get any hike. So that is the scenarios also coming. So freshers obviously they will be getting hike, but experience who have recently joined, maybe they will not get the hike, just like 1 year or 1.5 years, maybe I'm saying. But because I have seen the past records, so that is the reason I am saying about this, okay. So I hope you have got the information regarding this. Please do subscribe this channel. We will meet in next video. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.